Side effects may include headache, viral infection, sore throat, nosebleeds, and coughing. Infections of the nose and
A
throat
tornado
and eye
warning has been
problems,
issued for
including
your
glaucoma or
area.
cataracts, may occur. Subregular eye exams. Slow wound healing may occur, so do not use Nasonex until your nose has healed from any sore, surgery, or injury. Nasonex can increase your risk of getting infections. Avoid contact with infections like chickenpox or measles while using Nasonex.
It does not come in generic form. Ask your doctor if Nasonex is right for you.
Quarterback Tim Tebow's t-shirt is cooler than yours. Introducing Jockey Stay Cool. Proven technology to help keep you cooler all day.
Man, you gotta feel this shirt.
Stay Cool underwear for men and women.
From Jockey, the true original.
You plant, you mow, you grow, you dream. Meet the new definition of durability, the John Deere Select Series. A 4-year limited warranty, dozens of attachments, and endless possibilities. What will you create? Now get up to $650 off Select Series tractors at the John Deere Green Tag event.
It was like a monsoon.
The water just kept coming and kept coming.
Unsuspecting victims.
Oh, my Lord, we're in trouble here.
Accidental heroes.
Something just told me I needed to go back the other way.
Strangers' lives intertwined in a countdown to disaster.
The whole thing was just completely engulfed in flames.
Kaboom!
Twist of Fate. Premiering Wednesday at 9 on the Weather Channel.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or newspaper.
Stay tuned for your Local on the 8's Memorial Day forecast brought to you by Liquifeed. Makes feeding as easy as watering.
No,
The National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for Ingham County in south central Michigan, Jackson County in south central Michigan, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe squall line capable of producing brief rain-wrapped tornadoes in addition to widespread straight-line wind damage. This dangerous storm was located near Bellevue and moving east at 70 miles per hour. Very damaging winds have been reported in Kalamazoo and Battle Creek with this storm. The most damaging wind should affect Springport shortly. The warning includes areas surrounding these locations: Jackson, Lansing, Springport, Grass Lake, Concord, Brooklyn, Leopardville, Williamston, Stockbridge, Leslie, Mason, Clark Lake, Waterloo Township, Liberty Township, Michigan Center, Tompkins, Vandercook Lake, Horton. This line of thunderstorms is capable of producing tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Squall line tornadoes are often hidden by heavy rain within the squall line. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business.
Winds, low 67. And on Monday, sunny skies, very warm, high 89. Winds southwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour. And Monday night, clear, low 70. Winds south-southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And on Tuesday, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds, high 90. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Earth's most treacherous weather tornadoes, hurricanes, lightning. To keep you safe, the Weatherproof team is putting Mother Nature to the test. From creating our own lightning strikes to pushing a safe room to its limits. Right now on Weatherproof. As the Weather Channel's veteran meteorologist, Stephanie Abrams has seen it all. And when Hollywood needs to bring on the rain or blow stuff up, they call special effects technician and all-around daredevil, Newton Weimer. He'll recreate the most extreme weather on Earth. She'll show you how to battle it. Together, they'll make you weatherproof. Tornadoes, nature's most random killers, and some of the most powerful. Winds blow at 100 miles per hour and sometimes exceed 200 miles per hour. Every year, tornadoes cause hundreds of millions of dollars in damage, injuring an average of 600 victims and killing 57.
Believe it or not, no matter what state you live in, you could be hit by a tornado. Every state in the United States has been hit by a tornado.
This is one solution that's becoming more popular. A safe room.
Noon, check out this massive steel here. This is a storm shelter.
Oh yeah, this is real strong. I mean, just right here, we got 1/4-inch steel plate. And I can see there's a lot of reinforcements inside. This thing's a really strong unit.
Made of heavy gauge metal with iron bracing, the room is designed to withstand winds up to 330 miles per hour. That would be even stronger than the fastest wind speeds ever measured in an EF5 tornado, the highest ranking on the enhanced Fujita scale, which rates a tornado's intensity. But can this safe room really stand up to hail the size of grapefruit, screaming winds,